John, maybe you could kick us off and just tell us a bit about the ASI for anyone who isn't familiar.
Yeah, sure. It's nice to be here. The Australian Steel Institute, so basically it's the peak body of the domestic steel industry and the domestic supply chain and sort of customer base of the domestic steel industry. It has a role in policy advocacy on behalf of the steel supply, particularly the domestic steel supply chain.
Great, thank you. And Gretta, this is your first ASI event, I believe. A lot of customers here at the event. Have you had many interesting conversations?
Yeah, it's been really good. I've been wanting to come to this for a while, and it's been postponed many times through COVID. So great to be able to meet a lot of our customers and field their questions. I think we answered a lot of the questions actually in the presentations. We covered a lot of that ground, but people, really wanting to understand what green steel is, when can they buy it, those types of things. But, I've really enjoyed listening to our customers and their customers presenting their case studies of some of the innovations they've been doing. We think of our purpose as being smart solutions in steel. Well, we've seen a huge number of them during this convention.
I think that, there were several things that really kind of resonated with me, I suppose. Mark Kane, at the start of the conference, he spoke about some of the opportunities for steel in, the energy transition. There's a lot of steel that's going to be needed for the energy transition in Australia, and trying to make sure that a reasonable proportion of that is coming out of the Australian steel industry and our customers, through our customers, is a really important aspect of it. Yesterday afternoon we heard a bit about recycling steel from Vina. She's really passionate about recycling more broadly. I think it's something that we in the steel industry feel very strongly about too. Steel is, as we keep talking about, is infinitely recyclable. But even in our processes, we try and recycle our waste, our dusts and our waste in our process. That's part of what gives us our efficiency. I guess there's probably a lot more opportunities in recycling and maybe some other materials too in our processes.